Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable reducing credit card interest with hardship programs, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your financial situation. Gather all your credit card statements and documents. Identify any missed payments or overdue accounts. Calculate your total credit card debt. Review your monthly income and expenses. Determine if you qualify for a hardship program. Research different credit card issuers for their specific hardship programs. Visit the official website of your credit card issuer. Look for sections related to customer support or hardship programs. Read through the eligibility. Prepare necessary documentation, including proof of income and financial hardship. Contact your credit card issuer's customer service department. Explain your situation clearly and politely. Inquire about available hardship programs and their terms. Be ready to provide requested documentation. Ask about interest rate reductions in payment plans. Take notes during the call for your records. If accepted, review the terms of the hardship program carefully. Ensure you understand any changes to your repayment terms. Follow up with your issuer if you do not receive confirmation. Make your first payment under the new program on time. Monitor your credit card statements closely for any discrepancies. Maintain communication with your issuer throughout the process. Consider consulting a financial advisor for additional support. Keep track of your progress in repaying your debt. Stay informed about potential changes to your financial situation. Reassess your budget regularly to ensure ongoing financial health. Finally, work on building better financial habits for the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.